Hello there, starting a vlog from over here, from our new home. Guess what? From morning, I was in. Oh, there is a bird inside the home. I was not knowing that. So, in morning, we gone to the government office work. I just, I don't hate government, but I hate the government work because it's so slow and it's just so ununderstandable. So it was taking a lot more time. Nearly half days now. How much it is? Yeah, half day is just gone. And guess what? Now the water thing just got pending because the wire, sorry, the pipe of the water pipe just got inside the house. So they said like we can't dig inside your house. You have to do the things on the road only. So outside the so now this got pending, which needs to be done today itself. And I can't take the decision because now I can't take the decision. Oh shit. Alright boys, let's go. Let's go again. Now we have to go to the government office, which I hate the most. So yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, I just forgot to mention that about our trades. The market is doing the exact thing, which is what we have predicted. We're still waiting for the Wednesday or Thursday to show up our entry signal setup. This is it. Signing off. Like now I understand less trading is actually profitable than more trading. Hi there. So we have finished the lunch and now heading towards the new home because some TV unit guy is coming for measurement and giving the quotation. So yeah. After that we're going to the Jesus house, Jesus office for uploading the videos. Hello there. So we came to the what it is, Jisu's office, where the office is. Yeah, this is the office. So he given me the key because he have pretty much locked it for the lunch purpose. So let's open it and let's do this uploading faster as possible. Here we go. Here, look at this. So we have started uploading the video. Sunday swing is getting uploaded. So now I'm going to upload my phone videos. So now this phone has pretty much 3 vlogs. I'm going to upload it right away. But the issue is while this upload is ongoing, we can't do anything. So sucking thing is happening. I probably do guess so we can do the no if phone is also getting uploaded, if the videos are also getting uploaded from the phone, so I have to keep open YouTube open. If it is not open, then it doesn't upload as fast as possible. Issue. Shit happen, brother. Shit happen. The light is gone. So what I was actually doing is I figured out the thing, figured out I have minimized this YouTube uploading screen which was getting uploaded the videos, so I can use the other like half the screen for my study. So I actually start doing the study right here for seeing the analysis videos and also practicing the whole entire thing right here. But what does oh my god, what the fuck I did? But what goes wrong that I have remembered that I am going. I just what is happening is after some period of time now I have the 4G. I can just have 2 GB per day data. So if I keep watching the analysis videos, the 2 GB per day, 2 GB just get consumed like this one video and 2 GB is gone. So there will be no internet. What I figure out is this: why don't I download all of the videos? That is this. Look at this. Why don't I download all these videos? These are the all these videos we are going to download for next 18 videos. So this is literally is for next 20 videos. So this is literally is it. And guess what, brother? I decided to go back and go back from the October or 13 October, from where I have actually started doing the challenge of passing the $100,000 account in just 1 month and 28 days. and it turns out I passed the challenge account in just 3 weeks, where I have done the actual trading. But when the first analysis video of that particular challenge I saw, I just saw like I was talking about the trades which we have took, okay, in the last week. And there was the 1 hour structuring structure was bullish, 30 minutes structuring structure was bullish, just 50 minutes structuring structure got bearish, and we still take the trade and we have end up getting 1 is to 3. And I'm like shocked, like, oh wait a minute, how in the world I can take this trade? If I were current version of Udesh, I would never end up taking that type of trade. That is what I'm telling you. Current version of Udesh is trading 100% wrong. The older version of Udesh is trading 100% right. So I just need to understand how he was trading. So it's like I have 18, I have 20 videos in front of me. If I finish this 20 video, if I finish this 20 videos, I will be going back in my older version of trading, Udesh trading, where he was consistently making money. If I finish this 20 videos, I will be become millionaire. 1,000,000% true. Not 100%, not 1,000%, 1,000,000%. That is why I want to finish this 6 lectures. But now I'm at the point now I can't even connect my internet to my phone or connect my internet to my laptop, because if I connect the internet, it will just suck all the internet, because the uploading got stopped. Uploading just got stopped in middle of the road, and it is 16 GB. Okay, if I connect my internet, 2 GB will be gone, and still the uploading will be pending. That is why I will wait for the light. Oh my god, I can't even turn on my phone's internet, because the phone internet, the videos are also getting uploaded from the phone, so internet will get consumed. If I just finish the 2 GB internet right now, then how in the world I will be able to do the study when I will be going home? Issues, fucking issues. I'm at the point that I'm like fucked up right now. I just have to wait for the light to come and the Wi-Fi to get turned on. That's all I can do right now. This is it. Ah, thank God, brother. The light has came within 5 minutes. So what I was actually like creating the folders for all of the videos. So I was segregating with the folders, so that once we download it, we can segregate the vlogs and also the Sunday swings, the one which we are wanted to do the study in 1 minute, rather than spending hours creating folders. Someone has to create the folders, right? So I was doing that. So now as the light has came, so we can start downloading, uploading, managing. This is what we can do, right now. Look at this, man. I'm downloading a lot more videos at once. Multitasking. Video got uploaded. Listening to Andrew Tate. This is all the videos I'm downloading. Now, up till here, it's done. I have to download this more. Oh my god. Just because I just lost the access to 5G network, this is what I have to do. Look at this. I am shortlisting doesn't mean that I'm going to take the trade on. Pause. So I'm doing the lecture while also I'm doing the practice. First I'm analyzing, then seeing the lecture. In this, it's every single thing is getting progress track. In this, all the things is we can see all the downloading things is happening. Over here is separate tab for just after once this finished, then we can download the next one. Finally, after 2 hours and 30. Yeah, look at this. Once download, it just pops up in like no, like in middle. Oh my god! I just. So now there will be no issue of consuming the internet a lot more. Let's continue. Alright, boys. Yeah, the clarity is like worst at all. But the thing is, the rain is coming. Holy shit! It shouldn't be. Shouldn't be the thing. We are heading towards to pick up mom from over here. It's like 10 minutes of drive. So let's go. But if we just take this step, brother, we just go up and then it can go down and it can close in the middle of this, create the dozy on weekly.